What's up, my friends? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your side mirror on a Hyundai Elantra. Now, this fix applies to the newer Hyundai Elantras, not the older Hyundai Elantras, but the procedure is pretty much the same thing. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All you need is one little socket and like a trim removal tool. Okay, here we are inside the car. Step number one is to remove this plastic trim piece right here. And you can use a trim removal tool or whatever you want. Just probably make sure you get in there and pull back and remove like 2 clips. Okay, just like that. So there's a total of 3. Now you're gonna expose your wiring connector. All you gotta do is press in the, if you look down there, there's a little square in the middle. Press that square and then pull this back. Like that, and make sure it's out a little bit out of the way, and we're going to remove these 3 screws. All right, so using your 10mm, remove all 3 of them. Make sure you hold the mirror on the other side or somebody else holds the mirror on the other side. Once those 3 are done, the mirror is basically free and clear to come out. So you can go ahead and pull it out now for me, please. There you go, just like that. And the installation procedure is the same thing, just in reverse. We slide it in, screw it in, and connect. All right, here we go. Sliding the new one in, and we're gonna start these by hand, drive them in by hand so we don't strip them. And tighten them down, connect the mirror, and here we go. Fast forward. Once your screws are tightened up, do the same thing, plug your connector back in. All right, get your plastic piece, line it up, make sure you don't crimp the wire in there. Make sure everything lines up, and then just click it into place. Ta-da! That is how you replace the side of your mirror on any Hyundai Elantra. Now the same procedure applies to those other ones. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to keep these videos coming. Thank you.